Some of the things that I love about AccuLynx is from the owner standpoint is my ability to see what's going on with my company. I can really keep track of the AR, seeing what jobs we got outside of 30 days, 45 days, 90 days, 60 days, whatever it may be. I can also kind of keep up with our leaderboard on, hey, where are our sales guys at? Because the telltale is this, numbers don't lie, okay? And in our industry, numbers tell a story. And this system allows us to grow instead of sitting stagnant. It's very user-friendly, not only for the sales guy, but also for our production team, our AR team, our supplement team, and different variables of that nature. So it just makes running our business very simple. For the guys that are in field constantly working nonstop and their jobs to sell, it doesn't slow them down. It allows them to easily put the information in. It allows them to easily pre-cap the jobs, to upsell, different things of that nature, give retail cash bids on site. And that has actually taken our company from here to here.